HT2000D testing equipment. Equipment for inspection of metal castings, weldment, hardware, rubber products. Various small and medium-sized products such as ceramic bodies. For products with internal air holes, sand holes, data inspection for defects such as cracks. Equipped with automatic inspection system, intelligent discrimination, automated analysis, output analysis reports, fast and smooth motion performance, detecting trail height, real-time dynamic imaging software with HDR image enhancement, platform 360 rotation without dead angle inspection, wide range of applicability, inspection of a wide variety of workpieces is possible. HT2000D testing equipment. Use of steel plus lead plus steel protective structures. Isolate from radiation. Compliance with international safety standards for radiation.